Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about the amazing benefits of vitamins D3 and K2, and why you need both of them in your diet. These two essential nutrients often go overlooked, but they can have a huge impact on your health and well-being. So, stick around and learn everything you need to know about vitamins D3 and K2. Vitamins D3 and K2 are two essential nutrients that are often overlooked in the average person's diet. Both nutrients have individual benefits, but their combined benefits are even greater. Vitamin D3 supports bone health, immune function, and the absorption of calcium and phosphorus, while vitamin K2 supports bone health, blood clotting, and may reduce the risk of certain diseases. Together, these nutrients can improve cardiovascular health, reduce the risk of adverse effects, and enhance each other's benefits. One of the key benefits of vitamin D3 and K2 is their synergy. Vitamin D3 helps the body absorb calcium, but vitamin K2 is necessary to activate the proteins that move calcium into bones and prevent it from depositing in arteries and other soft tissues. Without vitamin K2, the benefits of vitamin D3 on bone health may be limited. Taking high doses of vitamin D3 alone can lead to an increased risk of soft tissue calcification, which can cause kidney stones, heart disease, and other health problems. However, when vitamin D3 is taken with vitamin K2, the risk of soft tissue calcification is reduced because vitamin K2 helps to direct calcium to the bones where it is needed, rather than allowing it to accumulate in soft tissues. Both vitamin D3 and K2 play important roles in cardiovascular health. Vitamin D3 helps to regulate blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and improve endothelial function, while vitamin K2 helps to prevent the accumulation of calcium in arteries, which can lead to heart disease. Together, these nutrients can help improve overall cardiovascular health. There are several ways to ensure you are getting enough vitamin D3 and K2. The best way to get vitamin D3 is through exposure to sunlight. Aim to spend 15 to 20 minutes in the sun each day, without sunscreen, to allow your body to produce vitamin D3. However, it's important to be mindful of sun exposure and avoid getting burned, which can increase the risk of skin cancer. Eating a balanced diet that includes sources of vitamin D3 and K2 can also help ensure you are getting enough of these nutrients. Fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified dairy products are good sources of vitamin D3, while meat, dairy, and fermented foods like natto and sauerkraut are good sources of vitamin K2. If you are not getting enough vitamin D3 and K2 through your diet and sun exposure, consider supplementation. It's important to choose a high-quality supplement that provides both nutrients in the appropriate doses. Talk to your healthcare provider to determine the best supplement regimen for your needs. In conclusion, vitamins D3 and K2 are two important nutrients that should not be overlooked in the average person's diet. Both nutrients have individual benefits, but their combined benefits are even greater. By getting plenty of sunlight, eating a balanced diet, and considering supplementation, you can ensure you are getting enough of these important nutrients for optimal health. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more great content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and we'll be happy to chat with you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.